What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Zay, back with another video, man. It's been a minute since we've been in the house, but we're in the house. My clips had fell off both microphones, y'all. So I'm gonna have to order a new mic set. I might go DJI here soon. But appreciate all the support, appreciate all the love. In this video, we're gonna go over AI consciousness and how this can soon be taking over this humanity and the human consciousness. As y'all see, bro, in Japan and China, they already with the mix. They already done got the robots working. You know, they got robots at Amazon where I work at. You know what I'm saying? They slowly gonna start to replace us. You know what I'm saying? They even got the little dominoes thing that brings you food. I think in some places they have the domino little cart that just you order and it just brings it to your doorstep or something like that. But the whole point of this video, man, is to understand who we are again and to know that we are the spirit in reality, spirituality. You know what I'm saying? We are nobody. We are nobody, like nobody, because we are the soul, you know what I'm saying, of the body, you know? So you have to understand that if we don't tap in right now, the way the world is moving right now, it can get potentially dangerous for us because they understanding that we still sleep, at least most of us are, you know, and they know that if we don't wake up, then they'll just make another version of us in a robotic form that can do the labor for us, that can, you know, replace everything that we have and put us back in basically slavery. You know what I'm saying? Slavery doesn't have a race. It's all mental slavery at the end of the day. They know how consciousness works. They know how to keep us distracted with social media and technology and the industry, even music, certain frequencies keep us down. They know this. The whole point is to evaluate our consciousness and understand how, as a collective, we can come together and not make this a possibility where we have robots roaming the streets, where we have robots replacing our jobs. Where you gonna go and how you gonna provide for your family if a robot take over your job? How you gonna eat? How you gonna survive if we got robots replacing our jobs, got them replacing what we like to do? You know, I mean, even creating YouTube content, you guys see how the AI is taking over, just from thumbnails, imagery, from videos, from movies. Like, there's a lot of AI stuff that's going on that is going to be replacing us soon if we don't come together and when we stop saying, hey, he's Asian, he's fat, he's black, there ain't no color. We all one. You know, we all energy, we all spirit. If aliens came down here, they wouldn't know the difference between the race. They would just know the difference between the energy. So this is how we need to start carrying out this energy and coming one again. You know, understand that we are all here for a divine purpose. Some people don't end up figuring out their purpose till later on, but everyone here is for a special purpose, whether it's a blessing or a lesson. It's all to teach us to ascend, you know, and we got to come together because they looking at us like we all lost. We got to be able to tap into within and understand that breath is life. You breathe is life. You breathe is consciousness. You breathe this is the universe. You connect to water, you connect it to the animals. You connect it to everything. Everything is science. They know this. They know that if we all wake up, then we can claim our world back. So this is why they try to keep us distracted with social media and the new artists that come out and movies. And be mind, they put the truth in the movies as karmic retribution because they don't want karma. That's why they let us know before they do something sinful or something evil. They display it right to our face, and it's up to us to volunteer to enter into that knowledge, you know. And this is why they don't get karma. We have to understand as a collective that we are the ones in power. We are the ones in control. And we need to take our world back. If not, in about 5 years, the world not gonna look the same. You're gonna be fighting to get some food for your family because the robots then took over the farmers. They then took over your job at Amazon, your job at McDonald's, the dealership job that sells cars. Everything is gone. But not if we do not wake up. You know what I'm saying? If we wake up, then everything is a possibility. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Something simple, something straight to the point, because I'm understanding that everything that happening around us is getting us closer into distracting us so they can bring in a different civilization, which is robots. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember to practice who you are. And I think what will bring us together back in unity is if we all work on ourselves, not worrying about what she's doing, what he's doing. We just focus on ourselves, practice loving ourselves, and everything will attract to us. Everything will start to align how everything is supposed to align. Instead of you worrying about how you can afford that. No, how can you get your consciousness to this level so when we do face these obstacles, you'll be ready for war? Because this is what it's coming to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, practice forgiveness. Practice gratitude. That way you can receive more blessings into your life and attract more beautiful people to you, So, and also practice forgiveness. You gotta let go of the past. That person might have did you wrong, and maybe at that point in their life they wasn't fully connected and fully didn't understand what they were doing. You're going on holding this grudge, and they probably been moved on, and they're probably already changing, and you still having this grief, this guilt, this shame, this fear attached to you. Let it go and understand that when you do that, you bring in inner peace. You bring in the ability to not stress and fear over what you did to someone that you forgave them. No matter if they forgive you or not, God knows. So just do your part. We all got to do our part. And I think that's how we'll come back together in unity and one consciousness. But I'll see y'all next video. It's your boy Zay. We gone.